The refrigeration module in Industrial Gases Desktop is a nice little easy-to-use module for calculating the cooling power of industrial gases and common coolants. And there are three tabs here: units conversion, refrigerant values, and refrigerant loading. Let's look at the unit conversion. First, it's just a simple input, simple conversion tool. I'll input 10. I'll select tons, 10 tons of cooling, and I want to do a conversion. And hit the button, and I get 120,000 BTUs of cooling, 35 kilowatts. That's 10 tons of cooling power. Let's look at the refrigerant values, both in customary units and metric. And basically, for ice, CO2, and nitrogen, we have a temperature pressure constant table showing the latent, sensible, and total heat in BTUs per pound and in kilojoules per kilogram that are available for cooling materials. And then lastly, refrigerant loading. And here where we can take different weights and heat quantities of interest, and either in BTUs per pound or kilojoules per kilogram, we can calculate how much ice or liquid CO2 or dry ice CO2 or liquid nitrogen would be available to achieve the desired cooling. So here I want to remove 100 BTUs per pound. So I enter 100 in 1. In 2, I'm going to say I've got 1,000 pounds of material, and then I run the calculation. And it just tells me to remove 100 BTUs per pound. From 1,000 pounds of material, I'd have to apply 657 pounds of ice, 700 pounds of CO2, liquid flashed onto it, or 362 pounds of dry ice solid contact, pellets for example, or 567 pounds of liquid nitrogen. So that's it. Just a nice, easy to use refrigeration table, and I hope you find that handy.